Hello guys, today is the unboxing first impression video about the Zeesea, this brand, as well as their Palace Identity collection. I literally just open the box to see what are actually in here so I can complete the rest of the makeup, then we can use them on the face as well. There are 4 things, 2 are the mascaras and 1 lipstick from their Palace Identity and a blush. Here are the 2 mascaras. I have to say the first impression on the packaging itself, I really like it. It's very pretty cover. And very good weight. There are 2 colors. One is like more standard. The applicator is not bad, see? It's cold, the angle of it, which should work better actually compared to the, this one, compared to this type of head. But this is a glitter based mascara, which is more for like, oh my god, I like this glitter. Look. See how sparkle it is. Here. It's very Christmassy. Oh, let's use them today. Let me quickly comb my lashes. Okay, zoom you guys in. Just quickly show you are standing. Okay, I think this color is not completely black. I think it has a little bit brown. Yeah, it's more like dark brown. I think one thing we can obviously see already is the extension. It's very good. It's not necessarily volumized, which I don't mind. I prefer to have the extension rather than the actual volume itself, which we can straight away see. And based on first impression, one thing I really like is the applicator. The applicator, the angle itself is really good. And it seems to support it perfectly, right? Not tilting back, which is good. And when you see me applying it, what I like the actual product itself, it seems not too wet, neither dry. It seems just about right. Okay, let's give a few seconds to see if it's tilting backwards. And let's do the bottom lashes. I like this one. Can you see? First of all, being few minutes gone, it's still standing perfectly. And for the bottom lash, it's very easy to apply, just to use the tip of the applicator. Okay, on top of this, let me make it a little bit Christmassy. I think this one will be a little bit difficult to see. I'm not sure whether I actually got anything on her. Have I got any on her? Not as visible as is shown on their website. But I think the challenge is the applicator. The applicator, if you see this side, all the product actually surround the stick in the middle. And there is a fair big gap to actually allowing your lashes to go in and grab the product, especially if you already have a first layer of mascara. If you just apply directly on the lashes, I think would be more visible compared to this one. Okay, what we do is, let me quickly coat this one. Just apply the glitter mascara. Maybe I was wrong. My lash seems, yeah, my lashes seems not long enough to actually go in. And it got my lash back to flat. Can you see the difference? This one seems nothing on it. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I can see a little bit on the tip of my lashes. Okay, now you guys see. Can you see here? But it made my lashes go flat straight away. So I would say that if you have a fairly good condition of your own lashes, the glitter one is definitely going to be a plus point, especially when you use on occasions like Christmas, for example. But if your lashes are similar like mine, are a little bit stubborn, difficult to be curled, and a little bit short in comparison, yeah, go for their normal standard one, black or the brown color. This one, I have to say, is really good. My lashes are fairly stubborn, and this one can hold it well. I think if this can hold mine pretty well, it can hold most of yours. Trust me, mine is very stubborn. Okay, let's open the blush. The palette's identity is very famous. It has very unique, eye-catching packaging as well. It's very Chinese king or queen luxury, for like Forbidden City, that type of design. Little black pouch. This looks exactly the same like the contour palette. Very gold bling, eye-catching. Very, very luxury. And the color is B01. Beautiful pattern and the covering inside. Let me see if the gold thing in the middle, if it's just on the surface. Yeah, it's just on the surface. The pigmentation is very strong. Pigmentation of its blush is certainly way much better than their contour, or at least the one I bought last time. I'm going to just mix them. I think I'm dip a little bit more white in. Oh God! Tissue. Light-handed, very light-handed. I'm not sure how I feel about this blush. From the result, based on the formulation wise, it's good. You see, it's melt in to your foundation. It doesn't stay on the surface. It's just all in one. From that perspective, it's good. But I think I have more challenge with the color. I think the color, let me zoom you guys out a little bit just to see from persons to persons distance. I think this color is just very, how to say, orange red. Yeah, I think that's the color. I'm not totally liking it. The best way to describe this color is very old school. That's how I would describe. It's, to be honest, it's matching its design. It's not a wrong color. It's just very, very old school. It's like the color that when we are little, if we need to go onto the stage, that you pile up two red cheeks. It would be some colors like this, for example. Although when you look at my face, it seems like daily wearable in a way, but when I look from the mirror, I think I like the formulation over the color itself. It won't suit all the skin tones, let's put it that way. For me, color-wise, Oh, before we move on to the lipstick, I just took a closer look. A couple of two good things. One, it doesn't emphasize your skin condition itself, like fine lines or pores. Besides, this is very easy to be blended out. There is no patches or cakiness. Last one, a lipstick. Ooh. It says dragon. Chinese word dragon. Literally. Ooh, very, very good weight. Let's have a look at the details. It's literally a 3D dragon. And when I glide it on, it seems very, very creamy. I don't like this color. No. Okay, this is a personal opinion. This color doesn't suit me. Again, this color is like the blush. It's very, very old school. Guys, please don't get offended. This is just personal opinion. It's not a wrong color. Whichever the color is, it will suit someone. Depends on your skin tone, your own lip colors, and your style. But based on my own style and skin tones, this color, just have a look, guys, have a look. Just made my whole makeup looks wrong. This color is no. The formulation is okay. This one has a beautiful satin, creamy satin finish. It doesn't sink into the lines, but a little bit patchy over here. But after I use a brush to smoothen it out, it now seems fine. If you guys have a similar skin tone as myself, go for a different color. The formulation is good, the pigmentation is good, the finish is not bad, and the design is really, really nice. Can you imagine that you pull out a lipstick like this for retouch? It's definitely a eye-catching, definitely for the packaging itself. But the color, no. M01. Okay, what's your favorite product or items from Zeesea or from their Palace Identity collection? Please do leave your comments down below. Would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video.